Then you can sing, happy birthday to you. Sabay-sabay. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Alright, so Renz, harap ka na sa cake mo. Harap sa cake. Before you blow your candle, just make it close your eyes muna to make a wish for yourself. Close your eyes, close your mouth, close your nose. Okay, so it's count of 3. Open your eyes then. Blow the candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow. Alright, palakpakan naman natin. Everybody say happy birthday, Renz! Yung malakas! Okay, yung pinakamalakas naman, napalakpak. Palakpak para kay Renz. Ayan. Alright, so this side, syempre, cut off the names muna tayo and then